One important step towards a prosthetic fitting is compression therapy. How does it work and how it helps? We'll show you. Hi, I'm Manali and I'm a physiotherapist. I'm here at the Ottobock clinic in Mumbai. Your physician usually determines the starting point of your compression therapy. It is used to prepare your residual limb for prosthetic fitting. In order to start your first prosthetic fitting, the edema, meaning the swelling around the residual limb, needs to reduce and the circumference needs to stabilize. Compression therapy also stimulates circulation, which in turn reduces your pain and promotes healing of the wound. There are various types of compression therapy, such as use of compression bandages, compression liners, and compression socks. So Swapnil, why don't you tell us what type of compression method did you use?
After my amputation, my surgeon suggested I use a compression bandage, which I tied in the figure of 8 around my stump. It really helped reduce the swelling and shape my stump.
No matter what mean you choose for compression therapy, they all work on the same principle, which is enclosing your residual limb snugly. The type of compression therapy that you can use is usually chosen by a physician. Please inform your physician if you're suffering from any circulatory disorders, cardiac insufficiency, or have had an acute heart attack. We can only give general advice. Your physiotherapist, the physician and nursing staff are in a better situation to evaluate your individual condition and consider your personal health status.